Hey, it's GStanley here with the Collector Car Podcast. We are going to do a fun kind of unboxing. I've never done one of these, so please bear with me. I'm going to open my Spyderco Kevin Mockblade. Well, that was really poor. Let me try that again. My Spyderco Kevin Mockblade. And let's see here. This is something that you'll be able to win yourself on the Collector Car Podcast. So stay tuned, listen, look at Instagram. It's a contest in which you can win some cool watches. So let's see what these watches look like. There will be two here. So this unboxing will be the first one. This is kind of cool. Oh, nice. All right. Well, I can't tell which one is which. I guess we're going to open both. So here you can see Porsche. Here's another one. Porsche. So these are Porsche designed watches. All right, driver selection. Let's see what these are. It doesn't actually tell me. Made in Switzerland, so that's nice. All right, so let's give it a shot here. Got a nice kind of plastic cover here. Probably hang on to that. Now this watch that you'll be able to win, I will have to try it on because I need to take some pictures of it. All right, upside down. Wow, that's kind of cool. There's a little Porsche up here. All right, let's take a look. See if I can get it in the camera angle here. Hey, look at that. All right, that's the Martini watch. Now this one's going to be the second one, I think in July, that you'll be able to open. And it's got a nice little, all sorts of info here on how to use the watch, apparently in different languages. Very nice. I don't know if I can get this back in there. Let's give it a shot. Just pull the watch out. There we go. Look at that. Martini watch. Porsche Martini watch. So you can see some nice thickness to it. All right, so that's the one that you can win in July. So now let's go look at the other one. Let's put her all back together. So this is kind of boxing and reboxing. So I'm unboxing and then I'm reboxing as well. Oh, that's nice, this little handle. All right, so that's the first one. Now let's do this other one here. All right, I'm learning here. You pull from here. Nice little tab. Pretty cool, nice fit. Oh, wow, look at this. We've got a couple different straps available. Now that's cool. See, Porsche. Nice straps. Oh, look at this. We've got 3 different kinds of straps here. It's a nice textured strap. Porsche. Now here's the actual watch. Nice. I'll have to take the cover off for my pictures. See if we get a better look there. You can see the nice, very nice strap there. So this will be the giveaway that's active now. So go to the Collector Car Podcast at Instagram and .com. So what you'll do is you'll go to Instagram, you'll like the picture, share with friends. Each time you share with a friend, it multiplies your entries. So if you share with 5 friends, instead of only have 1 entry, you'll have 5. And then go to thecollectorcarpodcast.com and answer a question. If you go to the homepage, you'll have to listen to Matt Farah's interview. He's a big watch guy. And answer the question and submit that with your email address so I know how to get in touch with you in case you do win. And good luck. So I'm putting it back together here. I want to take a few pictures just to get it on Instagram, but there it is. There's the Porsche watch for June and the Porsche watch for July. 2 watches coming up that you can win. Thanks for listening.